What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to troubleshoot battery drain from Bluetooth in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, review your paired device list. So for that, open settings. Now in settings, tap on connections. Now here tap on Bluetooth, and here you will be able to view your paired devices list. So if list is too long, then delete some unwanted paired devices. So for that, click on the settings icon, and from here tap on unpair, and from the pop-up again tap on unpair to confirm, and then that device will be removed from the paired devices list. So doing this will help you to fix the battery drain issue from Bluetooth. Now second solution to fix this issue is check connection quality. So if your connected device is far away from your device, then take your Bluetooth device near your mobile, and then it will stop draining too much battery by Bluetooth. Now the third solution for your problem is, if you're not using Bluetooth, then turn off Bluetooth. So turning on Bluetooth always will drain your battery, so turn this button off to turn off Bluetooth. Now if you're still facing the problem after all these solutions, then the next solution is update apps and software. So to update apps, open Play Store, click on your profile icon, and then click on manage apps and device. Now click on update available option. Now from here, if you have any pending updates of your apps, then update all the apps, and after updating apps, it will fix your Bluetooth battery draining issue. Now to update your mobile software, tap on settings, scroll down to the end, and here click on software update, and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating your mobile software to latest version, your battery draining issue from Bluetooth will 100% be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.